video we're going to install Powerparts Handguards to a KTM Duke 390. Handguards come in two packages, one for the metal bars and one for the plastic handguards. I have laid out all the pieces, but we won't be using all the pieces in this build. Firstly, we need to remove the bar ends with a 5mm Allen key. Remove the bolt from the middle, move the bar end. Now we just need to do the same for the other side. I'll be using the parts for the handguard. There's a rebated insert that makes that flush and a spacer, putting the bolt through that and bolting it directly into the handle bars. So you can see the rebated spacer, another spacer there. Just screw that into the handlebars, roughly position, and I'll only just be doing that finger tight. Next step is to install the handlebar clamp. There's a lot of wiring in here that will need to be probably moved, so I'm going to take the cable tie off, position the clamp, connect it to the aluminium bar, and then I'll re-cable tie the wiring back to the handlebars once that's complete. Having a removed cable tie, we can just move the wiring harness out of the way so that we can install the bar clamp. The bar end clamped. I've got one screw removed. The other one I've got fairly loosened. We insert these rubber shims that will help protect the bars. Stop it from scratching up. On one side, on the other side. You will notice that these are marked up with right and left hand sides. So I'm working on the right hand side. Still there. Putting the bolt in. Make that hand tight so we can move around. And then they come with two connecting arms, and you just use the one appropriate that fits best so that it connects easiest with the aluminium bar end. Looks like it's going to fit the best. I've worked out this is probably the best bracket to use, so we just drop a bolt in through there, and there's a 10mm nut that goes on the end. It's got a thread lock on it, so just loosely put that on, and then we need another bolt to bolt the bar onto the bracket. And tighten up the clamps again. That's the right hand side bracket assembly. Next we'll be just putting the guard on. It's just a plastic guard. It comes with two screws that screw directly into the aluminium. Put the screws in. Line up the holes, start that screw, line up the one on the curved end, which has a little bit of play, it has a slot. Do the bend so the guard doesn't flop around. Remember that this is basically self-tapping into the aluminium, and you don't want to strip out the aluminium, otherwise you'll have to end up using a bolt all the way through. Here's a view from the front of the handguards installed to the KTM. Here is some of the leftover parts. If this video was useful to you, please like and subscribe.